So, I wanted to thank you for watching again, and Amanda, thanks for all the incredible work that you do, and blogging is something that is Amanda's forte, and I really appreciate all the time and energy you put into it, so great job. So, basically I wanted to talk a little bit more about the spine today and different aspects of this. First of all, we do deal with a lot of different spine related issues, from degenerative disc to disc herniations, even disc ruptures, and there's a lot of different problems that can occur with areas along the spine. There's a specific principle that we use when treating spine related problems, and that is what we need is the muscle tissue strong along the spine in a way that can, if the bones of the spine have changed their position in any way that cause all kinds of problems, what will happen, for example, let's say you had two bones and they were to compress down on a disc, could potentially push the disc out into the space around it, which causes all kinds of complications with nerve function and so on. So what we'll do in many cases is strengthen the muscles along the spine, which would then pull the bones apart. Now sometimes there's an underlying issue, and we correct that. That will then strengthen the muscles, or sometimes we have to bring circulation directly into the muscles, and that will cause the improvement. So very interesting what we'll see with spine related problems. We also like to give patients exercises to do along with the acupuncture that oftentimes improves the results of the treatment dramatically. That's one of the things that we offer, which is quite uncommon, which is just helping people to get the best possible results in the shortest period of time. Now, having said that, there are specific points that we can use in multiple areas of the body. Oftentimes we'll use points in different locations of the body to treat this specific region along the spine. However, I wanted to tell you about some little known and very powerful points that exist. They are called the Huatou Jiajis. So that's W-H-A-T-O-U-J-I-A-J-I. There was a Dr. Huatou who discovered these particular points. It's just a Chinese term, the rest of it you don't have to worry about that. But in any case, he discovered these points that are along the spine, and interestingly enough, bring circulation directly into that region. It's very uncommon that we'll use acupuncture points that go directly into the area of the pain, simply because it can be very short-term in its effect. We're interested in long-term and the most effective results. So what we'll do is increase circulation into that affected area, but sometimes we will use points that are actually directly in that region, simply because it goes to the core of the problem. If the core of the problem does exist in the spine, then it would make sense to go to that area. It could even be we would use those points for someone who has sciatica that goes down the side of the leg, but in particular dealing with degenerative disc, that cartilage can oftentimes come back to life and be given circulation, nutrients, hormones, and oxygen in the bloodstream, and the results can be spectacular. So if you are suffering with problems along the spine, or you know someone who has problems along the spine, including degenerative disc disease or arthritic conditions on the spine, don't hesitate to give us a call and let us know if you have any other questions and want to see if we can help you out. Again, you can email me at any point. That's curry@milwaukeeacu.com, and then there's also obviously the ability to call at any time, and if I'm not with a patient, I'd be happy to chat with you. You can speak with any of the acupuncturists in the office, but 414-332-8888. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.